Hey friends and family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you're most definitely welcome. Please make this your permanent YouTube home by hitting the subscribe and the notification bell down below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, talk to me in the comment section, and share this video, please. So today I'm going to be uploading two videos, which is part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is where I do an install of these braids, and then part 2 is going to be much shorter, which is basically me styling these braids. You want to start by sectioning off your natural hair into 3 legs. Now you'll have to attach your extensions to the 3 legs, and you've separated your extensions by taking 1/3 of the extensions and looping it around 2/3. So you'll go ahead and attach by attaching each leg of hair that you've separated to the corresponding extension pieces. After you've attached the extensions to your natural hair, you want to start braiding down in a braid motion where you cross the 3 pieces of hair around each other or against each other, and you just want to braid down in that motion to create your braid. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a beautiful day and take care.